What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to delete default apps from either your iPad or from your iPhone. We need to choose default app that we would like to uninstall. For example, I'm going to choose podcast. What we need to do, we need to press and hold on it until you will see this menu pop up, and then click delete app and then confirm delete, and that's it. App is deleted. But in case if you change your mind and you decide that you need your podcast app or other app, the one that you deleted, what you can do, you can go back to App Store, and in the App Store just search for podcast and click search, and right here it did found Apple Podcast on the right, and just click on this little cloud to download. Okay, application is downloaded, and if you go back to your screen, you can see it appeared back on your home screen. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.